Yeah, for me the most important thing was to go in and help the team, and most importantly we got 3 points, and that was what we were hoping for. And yeah, in that match we played good and we dominated the game, and for us the most important thing was to keep the ball with us and go forward and score goals, and that's what we did, and we went for 3 points. Yeah, for me, like most importantly, I want to dominate the game, and that's what I did against Odisha both the time. So for me, I want to dominate more and be on the ball, and hopefully in more games coming forward I want to do that more. Like, to be honest, these both are finals for us. We want to win and be there in the playoffs, and that's what we are working hard for. And all these months we have been working hard, and now we are in the final phase of the league. So we want to be in the playoffs, and hopefully we will be, and we want to fight for the rest of the matches. And yes, of course we want to win. See, to be honest, as always, Bangalore is a difficult opponent, but yes, we are ready for them, and we, like any other team, because the most important thing, it will be a tough match, that's obvious, and we will go all out because it is a final for us, and we want to win, and we want to get 3 points to be in the playoffs. Like for me, I would like to thank all the fans, because they have been messaging me, like from the match I got the injury, so for now I'm recovering, and I think I have recovered, and I want to start all over. And last match I played, so I want to do this as well in the next match. And yes, please keep believing in us and support us till the end, because we want to win and we want to give our best, and we always do. So please believe us till the last, and yeah, thank you.